it's 25, so we also had it. She opened the door for us.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
It's Ydrevägen 7 stickers A, and the number is 01879. But it was only me. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Also in Tranås, Jönköping out this week. But it was very embarrassing.
Yeah.
And the code was impossible.
Yeah. It was second time today already, and somebody opened the door and then left. And yeah, and it has never happened before. I think normally they have also went inside or something.
Well, this is rare in Sweden, I suppose.
Yeah. Speedbike vaikuttaa, että me eteenpäin olisi.
No.
No.
Yeah. Don't know if somebody is there. Did you notice?
Yeah, I didn't see anyone.
Okay. Weird.
Yeah. Open the door.
Let's check. But the church is over 6 floors, and
Yeah.
KE and 1 are half floors.
Yeah.
Actually 5 floors high, but 6 stops. No, there's nobody there.
Yeah.
No, it still was a risk. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks so much.
5C, 7C, and 9C, and 11A are generics. That's